Hello everyone, I'm excited to let you know you can directly book a demo of Doodle software on Institch Cloud. Let's walk through the process how to book a demo. Firstly, go to institch.com, or you can directly enter the domain cloud.institch.com and go to Product. You will see a registration page. Click Register. Get an account on your Institch Cloud. Fill in your details: first name, last name, country, email address, password, and confirm password. After you fill in all details, click Register for free. You will get a verification code from your email. Once you fill it in, you will get a success message. And the other simple option is to log in with your third-party account, for example, Google or Apple. If you use Apple, you need to manually enter your email account to get your confirmation. Let's use Google. After you're registering and log in successfully, you will land on the Institch homepage. Here, click Book a Demo of Doodle Software section. A form will pop out. You need to do is fill in all the details: your email address, your country, for example, your first name, your last name, and there are 3 questions. Scroll down to finish all. First question: are you involved in embroidery industry? Do you have experience using digitizer software? What's your primary purpose for using digitizer software? Once completed, click Submit. We will receive your application. Once your application is approved, you can use email and start using the Doodle software. Thank you so much for watching. If you like our content, feel free to like, share, subscribe to our channel. See you next video.